How do you build AI agents in Agent Studio that actually talk on brand using your brand voice? So that way they know what your customers feel, what type of product you're offering, and how to talk in your sort of tone of voice. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can use brand voice with Agent Studio agents. Now, this is really important. You do obviously need a brand voice to get started. So if you don't have one, here's a couple of pointers. First, whenever you go to marketing and then brand boards, you can create a brand voice, which is just how your agents talk according to your brand. So you can either start from scratch, and when you start from scratch, you'll get all of these different fill-in fields, which the AI agents can use in order to accurately talk about your brand. So number one is obviously like your brand name, the type of business you are, your website, your company email address and phone number. That's all normal. The bottom part is where we get really exciting stuff that really helps our AI agents do better inside of HighLevel. So we first have our tone of voice, which we can choose between professional, friendly, trustworthy, confident, engaging, empathetic, and innovative. And once we pick one of those, we then have the stuff that's really important, which is all of our brand identity and market positioning here at the bottom. So we need to include our target audience, so who we're trying to work with, our customers' pain points, our brand promise, values, what makes us better than competitors, what does your brand do, unique selling propositions, risks of inaction, and your call to action that you want to use with your AI agents. So once you fill out all of this, this will really help tailor your AI agents in order to talk more on brand for whatever sort of product you're selling and whatever your offer is. Now, you can also go down the route of, if you click back and then click add brand voice and click text or URL, you can auto scrape this data from your website. So if we want to make this a brand voice, right here, we'll put in the HighLevel URL so you can check out what this looks like. And then we can include a little bit of additional context if we want, but let's go ahead and click continue. And now this is going to scrape our website in order to create that brand voice. So if you have a sales page, that would be perfect to plug in here. If you have your main website, whatever you actually have, this will help build out that entire brand voice. So as you can see here, it pulled in some information from the HighLevel website, filled out all this info, and we are good to go. It got all of this, even got the call to action for starting a free trial. So that's perfect. So we're going to use this as our default brand voice. We can also just use any brand voice we want with Agent Studio, so it doesn't really matter. But let's go ahead and navigate to AI agents and then Agent Studio. So for an example, we have a customer support agent here, and we want this AI agent to actually talk in our brand voice. So for this AI agent right here, when all we have to do is add a text generation node to start. So we'll need to actually generate text. This is what the AI agent is using to talk back to our individual whenever they are doing customer support. And then you can see right here, we can pick our brand voice. So when we click this, we can select that HighLevel brand voice and then include a prompt. So respond to the user's message. Right? So by doing that, this is now going to have more context around what we're actually doing as a business and be able to support them correctly. So instead of us having to say, point them to a free trial, do all this work, the customer is probably in this scenario, it already knows all of that from our brand voice. So this makes our prompting just like respond to the user's message. And even if we want to enhance it, we can make it a little bit better. It makes it already pretty good because it's going to pull in that information from our brand voice. So once we have that set up, we can save and then we can test this real quick, and I'll show you what this looks like. Now for this case, we're literally only going to use that very basic brand voice and text prompt inside of this agent. We'll go ahead and test it, and we'll type in a message here. We'll just say I'm interested in HighLevel, and we'll send this through. Now, as you can see here, the message we got back from the AI agent already has all the information about HighLevel. It says it's an all-in-one marketing and sales platform designed to help businesses automate their workflows, manage leads, streamline communications, all of this stuff. So this is a perfect response, and we didn't include any of this in our prompting because we have it already set up in the brand voice. This is really important whenever you're building AI agents because this makes your entire prompting process so much easier. So if we say I'm a real estate agent and I want to keep in contact with my customers, something like that. You can imagine if anyone's talking to the AI agent, it knows how to take that information, parse it through, and then give you some immediate responses that work perfectly. So automated follow-ups that you can reach out to your customers, appointment scheduling, all these different things. And then it automatically knows to add a call to action to see if it wants to see a step-by-step overview and a basic follow-up system, all this stuff to lead us to that call to action that we have set up in our brand voice. So by using this system, you can have your prompting already set up using brand voice instead of building it all inside of your prompts in Agent Studio. And this supporting this is going to make your AI AI agents inside of Agent Studio infinitely better by having a good brand voice. So take the time to actually build out your brand voice, go through each one of those fields. I know it's a lot of fields. I know it takes some time, but the better that is, the better all of your AI agents will be when it comes to nurturing customers, talking to customers, using SMS communications, and everything inside of Agent Studio. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to check out the help doc or drop a comment on this video. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.